Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Logitech G920 not calibrating PS5/Xbox. Here you will see I am in the official website of Reddit where the people share their opinion and solution regarding this. These are the following steps you can try. Power cycle the wheel, try using on another game. Calibrate the wheel using window game controller settings. Ensure that you have installed the latest version of G-Hub for the wheel. Connect the wheel directly to the USB 2.0 port of the computer. Bypass any use of KVM switches, USB hubs, port replicators and docking stations. Try in different PC with Windows 7, 8, 10 or another Xbox One. You can also recalibrate the G920 by going to the joy.cpl on CMD. So these are the people's opinion regarding this. And here in the down one people says that I was going to throw it away but decided to buy another power supply and this did the trick, work fine now. So the power supply is maybe a cause of it. So decided to buy another power supply and this did the trick, work fine now. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.